Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we are going to discuss the term cultural studies. Introduction. Cultural studies is a rapidly growing interdisciplinary field that focuses on analyzing the conditions that influence the production, reception, and cultural significance of various institutions, practices, and products, including literature. It treats literature as one of many forms of cultural signifying practices, with a central concern being to understand the social, economic, and political forces and power structures that shape cultural phenomena, assign meanings to them, and determine their value and status in society. Precursors to cultural studies. One precursor to modern cultural studies was Roland Barthes, who in his work Mythologies examined the social conventions and codes that attribute meanings to everyday social practices such as women's fashions and professional wrestling. Additionally, the British School of Neo-Marxist Studies, initiated by Raymond Williams's Culture and Society and Richard Hogarth's The Uses of Literacy, emphasized the integral role of literature and art in shaping general culture. The Birmingham Center for Contemporary Cultural Studies, founded by Hogarth in 1964, institutionalized this movement. Embracing diverse voices. In the United States, cultural studies gained traction through the New Historicism, which was influenced by post-structural theorists like Louis Althusser and Michel Foucault, as well as cultural anthropologists like Clifford Geertz. Cultural studies seeks to challenge the traditional distinction between high culture and popular culture, emphasizing the analysis of mass media, popular fiction, journalism, advertising, and other forms of art with broad appeal. Moreover, it strives to bring to the forefront marginalized works by women, minority ethnic groups, and colonial and post-colonial writers, challenging the dominance of white European or American male voices. Analyzing cultural practices. One of the central aims of cultural studies is to analyze and interpret various objects and social practices outside the realm of literature and arts, viewing them as products of social forces and conventions that either reinforce or resist dominant power structures. This approach encompasses a wide range of subjects, from bodybuilding and urban street fashions to cross-dressing and smoking habits. Influential works and publications. The journal Cultural Studies and numerous books such as Critical Practice by Catherine Balsey and No Respect, Intellectual and Popular Culture by Andrew Ross have significantly contributed to the development and dissemination of cultural studies. Additionally, anthologies like A Cultural Studies Reader, History, Theory and Practice, edited by Jessica Munns and Geeta Rajan, trace the evolution of cultural studies from the origins to contemporary practitioners. So this was the discussion on the term cultural studies. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comment section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.